if I vlogged yet so far today, but happy Vlogmas Day 7. I went to the gym. Oh yeah, I did. I vlogged my workout. I was proud of myself for that. I don't normally vlog while I'm doing like weights and stuff because people are around and I get a little self-conscious, but I was like, you know what? First off, no one's gonna say anything to me. No one's gonna be like, why are you filming? Like, no one's gonna say anything. Second off, like, I pay for membership here. I can do what I want. It doesn't say I can't film. I vlogged that, then came home. I've been working. I'm gonna run to the doctor's. I'm gonna shut up about talking about this because I just edited and uploaded my last vlog and I mentioned going to the doctor's, never did. Hopefully they're not crowded right now. It's like 12:31-ish, so hopefully I get in there and get out. But I'm starting to cough more today, so I'm like, you know what? So we're just gonna go and get checked because I'm going to santacon this weekend. And I do not want to wake up that morning and feel like shit. I'd rather just kick it to the curb now. I scheduled in a little buddy's barking at probably an Amazon guy because that's all he does. So I scheduled in some time out of my work day to do that. Luckily, I don't have any meetings today, which is very unheard of. So definitely have more time out of my day to do this. So it's just kind of like the perfect time to go. So I'm going to run there now and I'll let you know the verdict. The parking lot's looking pretty full, so wish me luck. So it's been like 25 minutes and a nurse hasn't even come in yet. I feel like they've forgotten about me in this back room. Okay, update 5 minutes later. She just came in and she swabbed my nose for the flu and COVID. I don't know. I don't think I have either. I probably just have a cold, but whatever. Let's hope it's neither. We just got done. I have COVID. No, I'm kidding. Thanks. Kidding. I don't have anything. I don't have COVID. I don't have the flu. So I'm being a hypochondriac, basically. He prescribed me a Z-Pack. I should probably put hand sanitizer on my hands. I was too hungry. He didn't really tell me why I need to take a Z-Pack, because if I don't have that, I guess that's just for like any type of cold. It's supposed to like help. If like I get worse, then I guess I'll take the Z-Pack. The Walgreens is right down the street, so I'm gonna go get that. I have to pick up, what's it called? Oh, I forget what it's called. I literally was in there for an hour and a half for like no reason, basically. So that's great, but I also was working. While I was sitting in there, I was working from my phone. So it is what it is. But they have candles, so we're gonna smell them while we're waiting for our medicine. It's ugly though. Candles, $20. No. Y'all are up close and personal. Okay, let's do a quick Walgreens haul. So this is what I couldn't remember the name of earlier. Panoxyl. It's what I use on my chest and my back. Acne for my sports bra. So this helps prevent that. While I was waiting for my prescription to be ready, I was obviously looking around. And I really want to try out this La Roche-Posay cleanser. I heard so many good things about this brand in general, and a lot of people love their cleansers. I was in between this one, and then they had like one for like dry to extra dry skin, which my skin isn't like extra dry, but like in the winter it definitely is dry. This one's hydrating as well, but this is just for normal to dry skin. So I just went with this one because it had like one of the most reviews and it has almost 5 stars. Always love to try a new face wash for the skin. I need to head home quick. I need to let Buddy out and I need to hop back on, even though I've been like working from my phone, but you know what I mean. I gotta do things on my laptop, so let's go. I'm gonna cry. They're still out of this tester. I don't know what to do at this point. Like there's this one, but I want the freaking purple one and they're out of it. Happy Vlogmas Day 8. Alright, so last night you guys saw we went, I don't even know if I really explained, but I went with my dad to, I had to pick up, okay, it's my brother's birthday today, so I had to pick up a gift for him. So I went with my dad and I wanted to show you what I got. We went to Kohl's and my, oh, throwing the cards around. My brother loves the Rangers, and he also likes wearing like fun sleep pants. So I was like, this is perfect. So I got him Rangers sleep pants. And then this card I thought was perfect because it has a taco on it, and he's like obsessed with Taco Bell. So that's really all I got him. I think I'm literally just gonna give it to him in Nicole's bag. I don't think I need to wrap it or anything, like whatever. This morning, me and my friends were talking about finalizing our plans for SantaCon. We're going to SantaCon. It's my first year doing it. I've heard like mixed opinions on it. I think people that live in the city or live around the city, they're like, no, I can't do it because there's so many people that go to SantaCon. So there's a lot of freaking people in the city. But then I've also heard that it's super fun, and I know people go like every year. So I was like, you know what? Let's just try it out. Rizzo was like, me and all the boys are going. You should come. Bring your friends. And I was like, at first I was like, I don't know if I want to. But I'm like, you know what? F it. Like, we're only young once. Let's just go. And if it's not fun, then I know that I'm not doing it again. But if it is, then that's great. But either way, I'll be with my friends. I'll be with them. It'll be fun. I need to wash my hair. But also, I want to do my hair tomorrow to have it good for Saturday for SantaCon. So I think I might just do it one more day, dirty, just put it up. It's gonna be fine. It's just annoying because like I'm filming and I look atrocious. You know what I mean? It's like I'm watching it back and I'm like, ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. But whatever, you guys are just gonna have to deal with it, all right? It's more like you guys don't care. It's more like I care because I'm watching myself back editing it for hours on end. And I'm like, why do you look like this? Okay, enough self-deprecatingness. We're gonna get back to work and I have to start editing. The thing about Vlogmas is you are editing every single day. The last time I talked to you, but maybe we'll sit you here. No, you're not staying there. That's the best it's gonna get. I am on my break right now and I want to try out this. It kind of reminds me of a ginger shot. It has matcha, adaptogens, nootropics, and agave in it. It has like a bunch of good shit in it. It has a bunch of vitamins in it. Basically, it reminds me of a ginger shot. Supposed to help boost your immune system, which, as you know, right now, I'm coughing a bit, so that's really helpful. And then the matcha in it is supposed to boost your energy and stuff. So I'm gonna give this a go. I'm gonna be trying these out for a bit, and then I'll let you know what I think of these eventually. But for right now, it's kind of a mystery of what brand it is. But I'm on my white comforter. Why did I decide to do that? It doesn't smell that bad. Actually smells pretty good. You guys know I love matcha. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this all at once, but we're gonna try. Wait, that's good. It literally tastes like a green juice. That was actually really good. Okay, well that's cool. Yeah, just a little, little pick me up. But yeah, today I was on some meetings, just the typical work things this morning. I gave my brother his gift. He liked it. My eyes kind of hurt today from staring at a screen, so like that. I'm done with work. We're gonna go out to dinner for my brother's birthday, so I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear. We're going to get Italian food at this nice restaurant, so I can't look like this. And we have to leave in like 15 minutes. So let's see what we're gonna wear. I gotta pee first, hold on. So I think I'm gonna wear these black jeans from Abercrombie. I'm thinking these. Thinking this kind of like Skims-ish dupe from Amazon. Either with a shirt over it or just a black jean jacket. I'm not sure, we're gonna figure that out. Okay, got them on. Every time. My hair. I gotta tuck this in, I think.
Jules?
Yeah, I'm changing. Try over this. Like, the more I put this shirt on, the more I hate it every time I put it on. So I think I'm gonna end up returning it, even though I wore it once. But don't tell anyone, but the tag is still on it. Gotta fix my hair really quick, because this is not good. Shit, they're not matching socks. What the fuck? What the fuck? I think I'm just gonna wear these loafers from 9 West. I've had better outfits, but this is what we're gonna have to work with. I want to close out the vlog, but before I do that, I wanted to show you guys my self-tanning routine a little bit, because I did that last night. I'm going to show you guys the results in the next vlog. I feel like I have become a pro at this point. I'm just going to show you guys what I do. This is actually the first time I'm self-tanning this season, which is very weird. Normally I do it much earlier, but I had nothing to really be tan for. And now I'm like, wow, you look pale. And my tan is gone. So we need to do it. Let me grab some products that I use in the shower. So before you actually self-tan, you need to exfoliate, you need to shave everything, you need to do the whole shebang, which happens in the shower. I use an exfoliant. I've been using this Sanctuary Spa Exfoliating Body Scrub. I actually really like this one. I'm not sure where it's from. I think I got it as a gift. So I use that all over my body. You just want to make sure all your skin is exfoliated, because your skin's dry, especially like your elbows, your knees, stuff like that, that really like can get like the most dry during the winter. You could use I don't know where it went, but you could use, I had these exfoliating gloves, and you could just get exfoliating gloves and put some body wash on it and just do that while you wash your body. But I have an exfoliator, so I'm just going to use that. After I do that, I shave. Once I get out of the shower, I put some lotion on. It depends on if I'm gonna self-tan like an hour after I shower, or if I'm gonna self-tan later that night. So if I'm gonna self-tan later that night like I did, I put on some lotion like all over my body. I used the Dream Cream body lotion from Lush. This one's really good. It's got good ingredients. It's not too like thick and oily, because you don't want to put lotion on all over right when you're about to self-tan, because it won't stick. I'm gonna self-tan like an hour later or whatnot. I just put the lotion on the parts of my skin that are gonna collect the most self-tan, and then we get to self-tanning. 2 self-tans I really like. I really like the Bondi Sands one in the ultra dark shade. It's their self-tanning foam. I know they have like a mousse, do they call it? Or it's like the Aero, whatever. I haven't tried that one, but I really like this one. It smells pretty good. It does smell like self-tan, but it has like a coconut scent to it that kind of masks the self-tan smell. I like it because you can see where you're applying your self-tan, so you're not just like going in blind. I think it fades really nicely, and you can get it from Walgreens, and it's pretty cheap. Other one that I like is Saint Tropez, their extra dark bronzing mousse. I really like this one as well. It's a lot more expensive, but it's definitely a good one. They both wear pretty much the same, and they're both like an olive shade. I really like that, especially since I naturally tan pretty olive. I like to go with an olive self-tanner so it looks more natural. And then, of course, you just want to use a self-tanning mitt, but I like the ones with the thumb, because you can like easily go around your arm. When it's like, when the thumb's not there, you just kind of like, I don't know. I just like the thumb. When I get to my hands, I don't put any extra self-tan on the mitt. I just use what's on it, and I do my hands, and I think it turns out pretty good. And then same for my feet. I just do like a little dollop for my feet. But when I do my face, I use the small little mitt for my face. I do one little puff of self-tan, and I just go around my face, and I make sure I get my neck and go on my ears so that it's all blended nice. Once I'm done with that, I put on really loose clothes, and I always sleep in my self-tan, and that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. If you are, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe down below. I love you all. Ooh, just hit my head. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.